Welcome to Dayspring Trailers. Today we are looking at two brand new 2026 7x12 versatile dump trailers. They start out exactly the same, one just has some more options. So let's go over with the one that's the not entry level, but kind of a homeowner's version. Sitting on tandem 5,200 pound axles with brakes on both axles. Nice thing about this trailer, their clips have secure so your straps won't fall off if you're securing something inside. Stake pockets in case you need higher sides. A nice step with grip on it in case you need to step inside or look inside. Our cover is inside of a nice box here to protect it when you're not covering up your stuff. Otherwise you pull it out, roll it to the back. It's got a nice roller system. Our dump system and box system is in a nice diamond plate box with a lock. You open up, as you see on the side, it's got a battery tender, so if you're not using it a lot, you can plug it and keep your battery charged up. The remote is right here, which is also on a magnet or clip. They put a notch in so you can close the lid in case it's raining, keep your box nice and dry. We haven't hooked the rope up that sort of top so you can pull it across. We just left it in there. And of course the battery. You can see it's got a nice adjustable coupler for different heights of vehicles, or if you have a pedal hitch, you can change it out for that. Nice heavy duty jack on the front. If you walk around the side, spare tire holder. Also on this side is another step. And these tie downs are all the way around the trailer. All LED running lights. Walk around back. It's got a nice double gate in the back. Pop it open. You need to. Nice thing about these gates, it's got a nice secure latch here. So when it's open, you don't have to worry about it coming back closed on you. Let me walk around this side. Sometimes it takes two hands. Swing that door open. Spin this around. It's locked open. Take a walk around. We can look in the bed. It's an all steel bed, nice and solid and strong. Back to LED lights in the back as well. Oops, this one didn't latch. I guess I didn't pull it up. Now it's latched. So let's walk around. We're going to before we put this one up, let's go to the next one. The next one is the same exact chassis, has the same tarp kit, the same box, everything, same axle, same brakes. The difference with this one is it's got fold up sides on it. So I'm going to put this one up. You just fold it up. Oops, got to move this out of the way. I have the back door open. There we go. You fold it up, and up here, it's got a latch, so you secure it. Now you've got additional height for a trailer. When you're not using it, it sits down these rubber bumpers and secure, so you can drive down the road with it down. So you walk around. The other thing this one has is we put the ramp kit on it. I have the ramps out. Nice heavy-duty steel ramps. They slide into this pocket here when you're traveling. And they're adjustable. They just sit on this round bar here. Goes from here to here, so almost complete length of the trailer. Most companies put the D-rings in the floor. We put ours on the side with a plate. That way when you got your gravel, your bark dust, your dirt, you don't have to go over the D-rings, get your rake caught in it and stuff. They're out of the way on the side here. And then have an additional plate for more strength to tie down your tractors or whatever you need to tie down. Then we're going to go push. I'm going to go open. We're going to open this one up here. We're going to go walk back to it. Like I said, they're exactly the same except for those couple options. Grab the remote here, and up we go. The remote's nice and simple. You just push a button. The other thing I want you to notice when this thing gets up is we put a rack in the front of ours right there. So you can put your tools, like your shovels, your picks, your hose, whatever. They're secure into the trailer. Nobody's going to steal them. They're not going to fall off. They're nice and secure. You can also see we use a heavy ram cylinder, not a scissor lift, to lift this up. Very strong and secure that way. And it's still going up. Goes up pretty darn high, so everything comes out when you dump. And like I said, this is all done hydraulic, all self-contained. Don't have to be hooked up to your tow rig or anything like that. Okay, I'm going to walk out so you can see how high this is. Put the remote back in there. Now you can see that's a great of a tilt. Also, it's got the bar, so if you want to keep your bed up somewhat, there's a steel bar here that goes in that square pocket up there, so your bed's up a little ways for a constant flow of water. Some people do that when they store it in their house to keep the water flowing out the back. So that is our trailer. If you have questions about this trailer and other trailers, give us a call. These trailers come with a fantastic warranty on them. Right here in Oregon, all U.S. made. If you have a question about this, reach out to us at dayspringtrailers.com or 503-666-7300. We have lots of dump trailers. If we can make them this, we don't have the size you want, we'll order it for you. We have multiple colors to choose from, multiple options. Just reach out to us and let us get you the right dump trailer to fit your needs. Thank you very much.